Are you learning Korean? Are you studying for the TOPIK exam? What if I tell you that you can even win 1 million Korean won in playing this app while reviewing for the topic? 궁금하시다면 계속 봐주세요. Smile, it's ItsKatStyle. Last September, I officially became an ambassador for this application called FUNPIK. This app is for Korean language learners preparing for the TOPIK exam through fun-filled games. Yes! FUNPIK lets you have the best questionnaires curated to your target level in order to prepare you well in the upcoming exam. Now, let's get started in reviewing the app. First, of course, you must download the application. FUNPIK is available on Google Play Store and Apple Store for iOS users. I inserted the links down below for your convenience. Tapos, of course, you just have to sign up and fill everything up. You insert your information, set your language, and your chosen username, of course. And after signing up, congratulations! You now have your own FUNPIK account. To get you a head start among its users, you can use my code KStyleFunPik28 in order to get 10,000 yeopjeon coins. Wow. Aside from that goal of studying Korean, another goal for this app is to collect yeopjeons or relics. These yeopjeons and relics will help you to proceed with other levels or unlock other levels. As you can see, this is really for those who already know how to read Hangul, since most of the interface are written in Korean. But don't be too overwhelmed by it because you will be guided by 𝘾𝙁. Yes. So 𝘾𝙁 is an NPC made by the motive of King Sejong. And he will be the one to guide you when using the application and will encourage you throughout your learning process. But of course, right now, since you're here, let me show you how to navigate around the app. 진단 테스트 assessment test. After you have done the assessment test, you can now know your expected level of topic reading. In this way, questions that fit your current level will be recommended every day. Since now we're at the keyword of everyday, the second one is 일일 출석 or everyday attendance. You can receive additional yeopjeon coins by just attending or opening the app every day. And if you attend for 30 consecutive days, you will receive a special relic card. So aim for it, guys, aim for it. Aside from 일일 출석, there's also 일일 mission. 6 missions will be given every day according to your level and points that needs improvement. And if you complete all of them, you will then receive double of the rewards. After gaining enough yeopjeon coins, you can now take sample exams or draw relic cards. Next is 다국어 해설 or multi-language explanation. Explanations for the solved questions are provided, so don't worry if you got some numbers wrong. 𝘾𝙁 will explain to you the question and answers. And for the beginner questions, guys, this is the best. You will not only receive Korean explanations but also English and Vietnamese answers. Up next is 문제 풀기 and games 하기. These are practice and games. In addition to everyday missions, there are also questions classified by type and levels. Also, you can play 3 interesting games in the game 하기 tab. First is 그림 맞히기, second is 빈칸 채우기, and third is 문장 만들기. So you can also receive 100 yeopjeon coins for just playing these 3 games and personally expand your Korean vocabulary. Next is 모의고사 or mock test. You can take sample reading exams similar to the actual topic test. And after the sample exam, you can check your grades and keep track of your progress. Next is 학습 영상 or learning process. As mentioned, you can keep track of your progress and you can always see the changes in your grades of sample exams at a glance. Also, with this progress report, you can see which areas you need to improve on, which are your strengths and which are your current weaknesses. So you can practice on that and hone your skills more on that category. Remember, learning the language is always a marathon, so don't give up just yet on low grades. Another category is the 수집하기 or the collections. You can get your own collection through various relic cards, and this lets you indirectly experience Korean culture and popular landmarks in Korea. So in this app, you're not only learning about the language but also the culture and local products of Korea. Another tab which you can see on the right side is the ranking. You can compete with other users by comparing your level and grades, and at the same time, receive additional yeopjeon coins or rewards if you get a high grade. And lastly, the moment you've been waiting for is the daily soke or introduction of the challenge. So the FunPik challenge where you can win 1 million Korean won will be held until September 27 only. The mechanics is honestly super simple. The person who collects the most relics will be the winner, and he or she can receive a big amount of 1 million Korean won. Yes, yes, yes. And here are some of my tips for winning this challenge. Number 1. Complete everyday missions and receive double the reward. By answering additional questions in the FunPik app, you can also get additional yeopjeon coins. Number 2 is checking FunPik's official social media pages like Facebook and Instagram. Sometimes they post events where you can participate and gain coupon rewards. Number 3 is watching the videos of other ambassadors and take note of their ambassador yeopjeon coupon. For me, it's 𝘾𝙁𝙁 𝘾𝙁 28. And that's it for this video. Fighting to everyone who's preparing for the TOPIK exam, including me. I hope this app will motivate you and help you in your language goals as well. Likewise, please do follow and like FunPik on their social media accounts to always be updated. Once again, it's 𝘾𝙁𝙁. Annyeong!